There's little Zelly. Going on a little walkabout. Working that perimeter. Working the perimeter. Yep, alright. Now she's gonna... Hey! Puppy! Let's see. Say hello to McCann's. No. Looking for Dump. Alrighty. Yep. Alrighty. Oh, alright. Gonna make a deposit of her own. Huh. This is not exactly what I wanted to capture. Okay. Alright, Zell. Do something a little more remarkable than that. Alright, stop kicking. John paid good money for that lawn. Don't kick it up. Come here, puppy. Come on. Let's go inside. Let's go. Let's take it in the house. Let's take it in the house, puppy. Let's take it in the house, puppy. Let's take it in the house. Let's go in the house. Go on. All righty. Okay. Go on in and say hi to Sugar. Oh, or don't acknowledge her at all.